Viruses are non-cellular, submicroscopic, obligate parasites and nucleoproteinaceous in nature. They were reported by Carolus Clusius from tulip flowers and later a German botanist Adolf Meyer in 1868 described a mosaic disease of tobacco commonly called as tobacco mosaic, which was later found to be caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Viruses were purified in crystalline form by Stanley in 1935 and complete viron was studied by F.C. Bowden. The size of viruses varies from 20 to 350 nanometers. On the basis of their nucleic acid, viruses are of two types, namely RNA viruses and DNA viruses. Plant viruses usually contain RNA and animal viruses possess DNA with a few exceptions. For example, HIV or human immunodeficiency virus being an animal virus but possesses RNA, while as cauliflower mosaic virus being a plant virus contains DNA. They vary in their shape also. Some viruses are helical, for example TMV, rabies, mumps. Some are polyhedral, for example adenovirus and poliovirus, while others are complex, for example bacteriophages. Viruses are conveniently classified into the following categories: bacterial viruses or bacteriophages, blue-green algae viruses or cyanophages, plant viruses and animal viruses. Bacteriophages may be virulent or avirulent, form a cause lysis of the bacterial cell after infection, while as later remain latent and are referred as temperate phages and replicate along with the host genome. Bacteriophages of T group are the examples of virulent phages, and phage lambda is the example of temperate phage. Viruses of blue-green algae resemble those of bacteriophages of T group. Some of the plant viruses are TMV, potato leaf roll virus, tomato bushy stent virus, tomato leaf curl virus, etc. Some of the animal viruses are adenovirus, influenza virus, poliovirus, rabies virus, vaccinia virus, etc. Sixth report of ICTV, that is International Committee for Taxonomy of Viruses, records a universal taxonomy scheme of viruses comprising 1 order, 71 families, 9 subfamilies and 164 genera, including 24 floating genera and more than 3,600 virus species. Viruses do not reproduce like other organisms, rather they replicate by their sole nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, within the host cell. Viruses of different groups show some common mechanism of replication, such as adsorption and penetration, biosynthesis and release.